Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting topic of how to make $1,000 in a day. Whether you're looking to boost your income, pay off debts, or achieve financial goals, we've got you covered with these practical strategies. Let's jump right in. Method number 1, freelancing. With the rise of remote work, freelancing has become a lucrative option for many. Explore platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to offer your skills and services to clients worldwide. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or social media manager, there's a demand for your expertise. Method number 2, flipping items. Turn your eye for bargains into cash by flipping items for profit. Visit thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces to find undervalued items that you can resell for a higher price. Method 3, gig economy jobs. Take advantage of gig economy platforms like Uber, Lyft, or DoorDash to earn money on your own schedule. Whether you have a car, bike, or scooter, there are opportunities to make quick cash by providing ride-sharing, delivery, or courier services. Method 4, investing. Put your money to work for you by investing in stocks, bonds, cryptocurrencies, or real estate. While investing carries risks, it also offers the potential for significant returns over time. Method 5, online courses and digital products. Share your knowledge and expertise with the world by creating and selling online courses, ebooks, or digital products. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Gumroad make it easy to create and monetize digital content. Method 6, handmade crafts and creations. Tap into your creativity and artistic skills to make and sell handmade crafts, artwork, or custom products. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon Handmade provide a marketplace for artisans and creators to showcase and sell their work. Method 7, consulting and coaching. Leverage your expertise and experience to offer consulting or coaching services to individuals or businesses. Whether you're a business strategist, career coach, or fitness trainer, there's a demand for your guidance and your advice. Method 8, affiliate marketing. Partner with brands and companies to promote their products or services and earn commissions for sales or referrals. Join affiliate programs on platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Sharisol to access a wide range of products and offers. Method 9, event planning and coordination. Put your organizational skills and attention to detail to use by offering event planning and coordination services. Whether it's weddings, parties, or corporate events, there's a demand for skilled professionals to manage and execute memorable experiences. Method 10, renting out assets. Monetize your assets by renting them out to others. Whether it's your car, home, equipment, or space, there are opportunities to generate passive income by leasing or renting out your possessions. Thanks for joining the hustle party today, money makers. But guess what? The fun doesn't stop here. We've got a special series coming your way that'll dive deep into each of these money-making methods. That's right. We're breaking down the secrets, spilling the tea, and showing you the ropes in a series that'll have you hustling like a pro. Whether it's gig economy gold or online money magic, we've got you covered. Don't miss out on the ultimate hustle guide. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and get ready to turn your dreams into dollars. It's going to be a money-making extravaganza you won't want to miss. Tap that notification bell so you're the first to know when the Ultimate Money Hustle series drops. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Until then, keep hustling, keep shining, and I'll catch you in the next one.